Bitcoin was able to gain a good percentage again yesterday because Trump announced that he will suspend most tariffs for the next 90 days. That gave a strong impulse. I still assume that we are in a 5-part downward movement here, where we have extended wave 4, which is not quite finished in my opinion, before we then move down into wave 5. And here it is crucial that we maintain the price target of $69,650 because if we hold that and then rise, we have a good chance that the bull run will continue. If we should fall below here, then only a corrective upward movement is to be expected before a next major setback is likely to occur. Now let's take another look, please, at the whole thing on the 30-minute chart and see what we can expect today. Here we are in an ABC structure since wave 3, which is again formed from B to C in 5 parts in A, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and A, wave 5. And this wave 3, 2, 4 is formed in 3 parts in a wave A, B, and C, and there we have a target. We have already reached the 0-2 Fibonacci at $81,700 and could fall down to $79,600 again, thus before the price turns around, and targets wave 5/C up here before the price sells off again.